Merry Christmas to all. Y'all can see what I see. I hope you can see this thing. Don't get my hand. Oh! Sorry for the shakiness. This thing is right at me. Oh, shoot.
Found it!
And
Nope.
that was a little bit too risque.
A roll cage works perfect.
That was a little bit too risque. Don't take it that high anymore.
It's the first time.
So Daniel got the flu for Christmas. Yay. Just what you want. Let's see if we can get some more action on this thing here a little bit. Up it goes. Tagging out, doing some tricks. He's a little better with this one than he's been anyone he's had before. Oh. Over there.
Okay, I crashed that because I did not know, like, if you could put a screen on the remote and, like, tell me, like, which way it's facing, that may help.
What was it doing? It all looks the same?
Yeah, from the air, it just all looks the same.
I got a breeze off of it.
Landed
on the sandal. Check that out. That's our video. That's what he's playing with today. Also going to play with some fire sticks later. We'll see y'all.